self-portrait is finished. Let's keep going. So, how is everybody doing on this COVID-19 thing? I hope everybody is staying healthy. I don't know how long this thing is gonna be. I haven't been out in a long time. Prepped a lot of food and water. Kinda miss going out, you know? Yeah, I found some drawing ASMRs. Give me tingles, so I figured I'd try it myself. Sometimes even like writing ones, they give me a lot of tingles too. Relax me a lot, give me a lot of tingles. So I figured I'll try it myself. When I was a kid, I experienced this a lot of times and I thought I was the only one. So when I came across those videos, I understood what ASMR was. I was like, oh yeah, pretty funny. How some people do it, it gives you more. And how some people do it, it doesn't. That's a very strange feeling. Yeah, because I had that in many places back in the days. Even when I was a kid in Taiwan. I can't even remember when was the first time I had my first ASMR tingle. It was a very long time ago. This thing is getting big though, huh? When it first got big, didn't really follow up a lot about it. It wasn't until recently, because of this COVID-19 thing, everybody's just always staying home most of the time. You guys remember that famous painter guy on TV? I forgot his name, but it was this white guy that has an afro that always paints on TV. He's passed away now, I remember. I used to see that guy on TV a lot, doing like paintings and stuff. And a lot of times when he does it, it gives you ASMR tingles too. We are almost done here. So, portrait. When I was in elementary school, we used to go to some temples in Taiwan. That's like a big thing in Taiwan. And these monks would like whisper and wave incense around you all the time. The temple was called Xintiangong. I don't know if they still have that. I was really young, and they would whisper something, some like Buddhist scriptures or something. And it used to give me a lot of tingles too. And then in elementary school, I remember this chick would always help me with homework and everything. And when she was talking and writing and like folding these papers and stuff, those would give me ASMR tingles too. So I always have been getting these from a lot of things. We are almost done here. The lighting is kind of hard to see. Red cabbage. Combat. My boots. Looking good. So that's it for today's ASMR. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.